Welcome to the next video of our complete engine rebuild guide. In this one we are removing the carburetor box, the LML reed valve and the oil pump. In today's video we will take a look at what tools we need to complete this job, a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, and in the end we will do a hardware roundup to make sure that we do not lose any of our precious hardware. To make following the content easier, you can pause this video at any moment. That said, let's take a look at what tools we need. For this job you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and decompressing circlip pliers. With our tools ready, let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to get this job done. Before removing the carburetor box, make sure you remove the carburetor first. We did this in episode 3. Normal rotary Vespa engines would have a screw here to hold the carburetor to the engine cases, but because this is an LML reed valve engine, there is no screw and you can simply pull off the carburetor box. Remove the gasket and you now have access to the reed valve. The reed valve is attached with 2 flathead screws and 1 small Phillips screw. Loosen and remove them. The flathead screws also have washers underneath them. You can now remove the reed valve and the gasket underneath. Pull on the 2 gears to remove the oil pump drive. Clutch side, remove the circlip that is holding in place the oil pump gear. Remove the oil pump gear. There is a washer on top and there is one underneath. Before we put away the hardware, let's make sure we have everything. We are left with the reed valve, a small Phillips M4 screw, 2 M6 screws with washers, the oil pump drive, the oil pump gear, washers and circlip, as well as the carburetor box. Thank you for watching. Click here to get to the next video in this series. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like this, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.